Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. To remove the air filter, you must first remove the airbox. Using a socket wrench and a T20 Torx socket, unscrew the two screws holding the airflow meter duct. Unclip the metal hose located on the airbox. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the air inlet conduit on the airbox. Remove the airbox. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit, unscrew the 9 screws holding the airbox cover. Open the airbox. Take out the air filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter. Put the new filter in place, pushing it down into its housing. Close the airbox cover. Then screw the 9 screws back on. Reinstall the airbox. Put the airflow meter duct back in place. Put the air inlet conduit back in place. Clip the metal hose back on. Refit the 2 screws holding the airflow meter duct. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.